Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're indulging in the rich and creamy world of Indian cuisine with a dish that's the epitome of comfort, Chicken Malai Kofta. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm absolutely delighted to guide you through the steps of creating this velvety, satisfying delight. Before we dive into the creamy goodness, let's gather our ingredients. To make the kofta: 500 grams chicken mince, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons green chili paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, cumin powder, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, 2 slices of bread. Oil for frying. To make the gravy: 3 tablespoons oil, 2 tablespoons ghee, 1 small PC mace, 2 green cardamom, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 3 medium onions, pureed, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1½ teaspoons coriander powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 1/2 cup whisked yogurt, 4 tablespoons cashew and melon seeds paste, 15 cashews plus 2 tablespoons melon seeds, 2-3 split green chilies, 750 milliliters water. To finish, garnish: 2 teaspoons kasturi methi, dried fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. Mix all kofta ingredients: chicken, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, salt, black pepper powder, garam masala, jeera powder, chopped coriander, including torn bread slices. Shape into golf ball-sized balls and shallow fry until golden. Set aside. In a kadai, wok, pan, heat oil and ghee, fry whole spices, then add onion paste, salt, and fry till pale. Add ginger garlic paste and continue frying until onions brown. Add spices with a splash of water, fry for 2-3 minutes. Add yogurt, water, salt, cashew, melon seed paste, and chilies. Simmer until the gravy thickens. Add fried koftas, more water, adjust salt, and simmer until desired consistency. Add cream and cook for 2 minutes. Finish off with a sprinkle of fresh coriander and kasturi methi, dried fenugreek leaves. Our chicken malai kofta is now ready to be served. If you're ready to treat yourself to a bowl of creamy comfort, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delightful recipes. Enjoy making and savoring this delicious chicken malai kofta, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!